Hi friends, as you all aware that I am Naresh Singh, and today we have a student. His name is Abhishek Singh. He's from a village, his name is Bad Khatipura, and it's nearby Mohana Mandi, Jaipur. I remember his first day he came here and he contacted to Success Land for learn English in lockdown. So he took 1 month of online class and still he is learning, and so overall he has been learning English with us 2 months for 2 months. So हम उनसे सुनते हैं कि उनका एक्सपीरियंस सक्सेस लैंड में कैसा रहा. So yes Abhishek, so please tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in Success Land YouTube channel. And my name is Abhishek Singh and I live in Bad Khatipura near Mohana Mandi. And my father's name is Mr. Narendra Singh. He works in garment shop and I have one younger brother, and I have completed my graduation in BCom from Rajasthan University, and I belong to joint family, and my strength are I am self-motivated and I have good time management and I am hardworking, and my short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position in a good reputed company. And I like to read books and play cricket, and that's all about me.
Abhishek, please tell to all the viewers that how did you find Success Land?
As matter of fact, last year I have completed my graduation and I was not doing anything in my village, that I want to job in MNC companies. But sir, you know, in India, in Jaipur, at time without good English communication, difficult to get job in a reputed company. Yeah, and then I came in Jaipur and I searched in the Google good English spoken institute in Jaipur, and I took feedback from my friends, and my friends suggested me to join in Success Land Institute, and I immediately joined in Success Land Institute, and I took online classes, because that time due to Corona and lockdown, in all coachings and institute are locked.
So Abhishek, please explain to all the viewers that what do you want to become in your future?
I want to do job in MNC company where I can enhance my skills and grow.
And our viewers also want to know your experience from Success Land, so please explain.
It's an extraordinary experience because I'm from a small village and I could not join any English spoken institute there, but Success Land gave me good opportunities to learn English in online and offline. And also Success Land Institute provides extra attention to Hindi medium students, and English and all English matters are followed here, just like group discussion, public speaking and speeches, etc. Still I have not completed my course, but day by day I am improving my English. I realize here, if I can learn English, so you also can learn English here.
Friends, everybody is all aware about English speaking, so if you really want to enhance your communication in English and other languages also like French and German, and if you want to learn digital marketing and tele, so we have one education hub that name is Success Land, and we provide such kind of courses. So friends, we are creating history in Jaipur, and not only the Abhishek, many students are learning English from us online and offline. We have our application on Play Store also, so if you are from out of Rajasthan or very far away, you can't come offline classes, you can't attend offline classes, then you can take online classes as well. Thank you very much for watching.